many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 letters. Only one word, okay? So the English word for today is quadrilaterals. Again, the English word for today is quadrilaterals. Everybody, can you say that again? Quadrilaterals. Go. Very good. Alright, so we are going to spell the word quadrilateral. So we have letter
Q.
Everybody, let's spell it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Q, go. Louder. A, D, I, R. Say the word again, go. Very good, quadrilaterals. Okay, so what is quadrilaterals in Thai?
In Thai is ลูกสี่เหลี่ยม
Okay, again, let's ask the girl, what is quadrilateral in Thai? Everybody, what is quadrilaterals in Thai? Very good. Okay, our student from 5/1, his nickname is C. He is going to give us the examples of quadrilaterals. Okay, are you ready? And he is going to say it's a Thai name. Okay, ready?
This is a square. Thai or สี่เหลี่ยมจัตุรัส This is a rectangle or สี่เหลี่ยมผืนผ้า This is a laundry or สี่เหลี่ยมขนมเปียกปูน This is a trapezoid. This is an isosceles trapezoid or สี่เหลี่ยมตัว This is a trapezoid or สี่เหลี่ยมทางหนู This is a parallelogram or สี่เหลี่ยมหน้าต่าง This is a cat or สี่เหลี่ยมรูปว่าว
Okay, thank you so much. Everybody, you did a good job. Everybody clap your hands. Thank you so much.